I made this poster in Canva. Then I found someone selling similar poster design on Fiverr. Let me show you a real Fiverr seller who's offering poster design service in $35 for just one poster. Let's see what this seller is offering. This seller offers only one basic design professional poster 300 dpi high resolution. Let's check standard package. Here is one standard design professional poster print ready 300 dpi high resolution PDF source file. Premium package is quite similar. Let's jump into the Canva. Open Canva and go to uploads. I already have my image ready. Select the image, adjust on the page of the Canva like this. Now go to the elements and search here frame and select mobile frame. Here is mobile frame and adjust on the front of the cup like this. Now it's look better. Remove the background of first image. Adjust it. Go to the uploads and again select image. Double tap to do this. Adjust it clearly. Now it's look better. Adjust the layer. Now it's look better. Select both and make it group. Adjust on the page. Go to the elements and search here brown gradient background. Go to the photos and select anyone that you want. Set image as background. Now again in elements search wooden table. I select this. Remove the background of this wooden table. Now go to the layers and send to the back of image. Now it's look better. Now again go to the elements, type coffee elements here, select coffee elements and go to the photos and see all. Here you find plenty of elements. Pick one you like. I select this. Place it on your Canva and adjust its position in front of the mobile frame on the top of the wooden table. Now it's look better. Next, add another element. I select this cup for my poster. Align it on the top of the wooden table. Align this. Now it's look better. To make everything look more realistic, go to the edits and here you go shadows. Apply shadows both of the elements. I select the shadow. It's look good for my element. Adjust the element after applying shadow. Now add Other shadow. Applying shadow is very important to make your design more realistic. Now head over the text, type coffee here, select the color white and also select font. I select horizon font because this font makes my poster more professional. Align the coffee text on the page of Canva. Now go to the letter spacing like this. Duplicate the text one by one. Select all the text one by one like this. Group everything together. Adjust the alignment. Reduce transparency to around 50%. Now it's look good. Then send these texts to the back using layers. Finally, add a shadow beneath the middle frame to give the design more depth and professional. Select the one of the shadow. After adjustment of the shadow, go to the layers and send shadows to backward. Our poster is ready. Now go to the share and download it. That's it, your professional poster is ready.